My morning report analysis videos on Tuesday, 13th of March with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. My final chart of the day is gold, and gold is sort of trading sideways in this broad range over basically since 2018 sort of kicked in. It's sort of been trading between sort of 1300 up to 1366, and you can tighten that range now to 1341. It's two sort of rally highs back down to sort of, well, again, back down to lows. But interestingly, in the last few days, every time in the last three sessions we've seen the market sort of dipping below 1320, the market has bought it. And again, today we're seeing the market below 1320. So a close below 1320 would be the lowest close since this set, well, potentially the session of the lows of the 1st of March. But look at these momentum indicators. They are sort of tweaking to the downside, and sort of the RSI sort of moving towards the low 40s again. The MACD lines dropping away. The stochastics are rolling over. This is all sort of building up into sort of downward pressure. But the interesting thing is we've got inflation data today for the States. If you do see inflation rising in the States, I think that's going to start to drive the dollar strength, but then also the gold price lower, because it would increase expectations of Fed rate hikes this year. So this could be a crucial day for gold. Will it be a day that if you do get an upside surprise, then the market could easily come back to test that 1300 level? But shaping into this move, we've got less of a safe haven flow following on from this sort of easing of the tensions between North Korea and America. And again, that is sort of not helping this gold price. But for now, it has been holding up every time you get below 1320. But it is sort of building pressure to the downside. 13 sort of 15, 13 17. Sorry, 1313 to 1315, I suppose, is supportive near term. But yeah, if you lose that to the downside, you've got a more negative configuration on the hourly MACD. You've got a more negative configuration on the hourly RSI. It's sort of all sort of shaping up for a test of the lows again, and that would be interesting today. So the inflation data could be key to this move. It needs to break out above 1341 for the bulls to really regain control of this range. But for now, certainly the selling pressure is sort of building a little bit within this range. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.